Hello everyone and welcome to Dr. Calamity. That's right, this character is called Dr. Calamity. She will be the one to take down Calamite if we fail it later on today. I'm gonna eat a pickled onion real quick, one moment. So, what's she? Basically, she's gonna be pure strength, I'm thinking. All I've got up so far, I believe, is strength. I may get up endurance, so she can tank hits. Like, if I get it up enough to feasibly be able to use Havel's Ring, that'll be cool. But currently, the plan is... Sorry about the, plane or helicopter, whatever it might be. I'm thinking plane. Yeah, plan is the Dark Wood Grain Ring, which I'm going to get when I get to the place. You know which place I'm talking about. Oh, I can't remember. But yeah, that one and a different ring. Basically, I'm looking up how to do it online and making this character purely for that. But yeah, I wanted to show you her. Partially because, well, just in case we can't do it, I wanted you to see like her roots, you know, before she becomes a badass dragon slayer. But also, partially, so I can show you the coolness that Reeve looks like right now on the load screen thing. I'll show you. Boop, 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 boop. Gonna eat another pickled onion. Well, boy. Look at him. Level 111. Brilliant. Okay. Divine Ember. Ember required for weapon ascension. Divine Embers are a property of the church and intended for divine blacksmiths. What? By the way, the reason for the pickled onion consumption is because I am really, like, hungry, but I also need to do this really quickly, and, like, they were in the fridge, and it's really hot today, and so they're cold and make me feel good inside, and they taste nice. Also, I'm eating the slightly worse ones, because my nan made some, and they're amazing. But my mum always has a go at me. Well, she doesn't have a go at me, but she tells me off, because I eat all the pickled onions, and, yeah, she likes pickled onions as well, so maybe I shouldn't do that. It's slightly selfish of me, but, yeah, these ones have been in the fridge for like 3 months, so, you know, fuck it. If she hasn't had any, it's her fault, to be honest with you. Not that she'd see it that way. No offense to you, mother, if you watch this. What am I on about? I don't remember. But, in other news, I've started playing Smite yesterday. Well, I say yesterday, Monday. Having, you know, recorded this on Tuesday, it for me is yesterday at the moment, but if you watch this on the day it comes out, it'll be Monday rather than yesterday, because today would be yesterday. It's all very confusing talking through time towards people. I suck at Smite. It reminded me of my true MOBA-y days, though. Ah, man, the MOBA days. I miss them, kind of. But they are good, man. I did not realise how much I'd missed playing a MOBA until then. But it's not just like playing MOBA, because Dota, which is, you know, my MOBA of choice. Whoa, Crystal Lizard. It's there. Interesting. So I'm assuming you can roll onto that. But yeah. Dota, one can play basically by yourself and still have fun. Admittedly, I struggled, and like, I don't learn builds, I just sort of do things and hope it works out. Fuck it. And I'm dead. Well, that didn't work. Right, because this is otherwise going to be a fairly short episode, and I want to finish my MOBA story whilst eating yet another pickled onion. Boom ba-doom. Ow. So, the MOBA story. It's not just that, because Dota I could play like that because it's like super serial of a game. I used to play the werewolfy dude, you know, the one who Lycanthrope. There we go. He may have just been called Lycan, but whatever. Used to play as him, and I sort of went for a lifestealy build thing. I worked it out myself. I don't know if it's an actual build that was a proper thing, but yeah, I used to be okay. I wasn't like a good player, but I wasn't like a scummy get good noob sort of thing. I would actually contribute towards my team winning if we won, and I would contribute towards us losing by a less great margin if we were to lose. So I have that going for me with Dota. Smite I played like once, maybe twice, about 3 years ago, until Monday, and yes, I never really learned any of it. I don't know what any of the items do. The descriptions aren't clear enough for me, and the navigation system for the item shop thing is also not that great, because it seems like it's laid out to be like extremely basic and whatnot, but it just doesn't work for me, you know? Oh, cool. It's too basic, if you ask me. Like, I, for one, am perfectly happy with people having their cake and eating it too. But that's not where I was going with this. What I meant to say was that if you're gonna do the item thing how they have done it, then at least make it like another option. So if you want the more in-deptherical I clicked to retrieve my power there. Thank you. If you would prefer, why am I alive? That was surprising, but I'm fine with it. Oh dear. What is this? Whoa! I have never seen that before. Why have I got an eye on my head now? I feel like that's going to be like a damage buff thing for when he hits me. Oh, that's totally a damage buff thing for when it hits me. Roll! Roll again! Slice him. Okay. And am I dead? Am I dead? I am dead. Okay. As I was saying about the MOBAs, it's playing with friends that I enjoyed when I played it. Smite, that is. And I've got friends that actually play Smite. That's why I played it again recently. And so, I'm going to play some more Smite. But I'm afraid that'll do for today's episode, because I'm extremely busy at the moment. It's exam season and all that jazz. So, basically, I hopefully will be able to get one out Friday. Then there will, if I do, and if in that episode we beat what's his face, fuck, I can't remember. There we go, Gwyn. If in that we beat him, there will be a break from the gameplay videos for a while, because I just don't have time to record and edit them and whatnot. If not, I will keep doing them as best I can, trying to stick to the schedule during the exam season. But as I said, it is entirely probable that if we defeat the Lord of Cinders, is it? Yeah, Friday. If we do it then that'll be this game over, and I'll keep trying to kill Calamite and recording that and all that jazz. And if I do, then I'll fucking put that up at some point. But I won't show you all the fails or anything like that. You don't need to see that. Yeah. That will be that. Until after my exams, when hopefully I can get a stack out. Like a whole stack ready for when I'm in a different country. And all of that jazz. So, here we are in the kiln of the first flame. And I'll catch you cats on the flip-flop. Goodbye.